Hello, in this video you can learn how you can create masses of tasks for ExMixedFolders by a copy of an already existing one, which you would need if you make mailbox migrations or if you like to have synchronization tasks for each of your employees. I'm assuming you've already connected ExMixedFolders to Exchange with an account that is able to use impersonation and have a task that you want to replicate for other mailboxes. Let's see how it works. As you can see, there are Exchange connections, and one task, which is already working via impersonation on the target. In this sync task I created a bidirectional synchronization which is maintaining a copy of one public folder in a mailbox of a user. Our goal is to duplicate the existing configuration in order to then provide other users with the public folder. This means that we want to copy the task, change its name, change the email address on the target and create the folder in the target mailbox. Okay, let's begin. We select the synchronization task we want to duplicate, and choose Create Tasks by using this as a template from the context menu. ExMixedFolders opens a dialog where you first can enter a task name prefix. This is how the tasks will be named later. We can now enter a list of mailboxes in the right column. The right column swaps the names for the target and the left one for the source. In this example we only want to exchange the target mailboxes so the source part can be empty. Now all you have to do is click the Create Tasks from Template button. The program creates us a bunch of tasks with the correct mailbox in the target. The missing target subfolders in the user mailboxes have already been created in the background and we are now ready to start the service with the new configuration. Now the service is processing all the tasks and you can close the configurator if you want. That's all for now. If you have further questions, feel free to write a mail to info@somebytes.net.